All right, everybody. I am trying to get you to do these flash sales. So, for those that don't know, my name is G Brown, G Brown the Lifestyle Changer, and I am about to show you how to create and premiere a video. Prior to this, I recorded 3 flash sales on my cell phone, and I use Apple products. So that means I did an airdrop from my cell phone to my computer. You can record your videos with your computer if you choose to, or you can email these videos to your computer. You can use your Google Drive to get your videos to your computer. You have to see what works for you to get these items onto your computer. Okay. Now I am on my business page inside of Facebook Business Suite. Okay. I have already converted my page to this new format that they're using, but I went over into the business suite, which looks like this, and then over here you got your activity, your inbox, so on and so forth. We're going to create a post. When I create the post, here we are. All right, this is going to be on my Lifestyle Changers page, and it gives me the option of Instagram. But if you are doing this as the video, it's not going to transfer over for them. All right. So I am doing add a video. I'm going to upload a video supported by Facebook and Instagram, upload a video and edit. This video editing tool are supported by Facebook only. That's the one that I want. This is only for Facebook. So now my movie's going to come up, and where is today? Let's just click this and get right on to today. Today at 1:40. Wait a minute. Now where my dang on videos at? It's always. No, because I renamed them. I'm trying to get it up here by the date. Really? Oh, wait. Yeah, it's movies. What did I call it? Flash sale. And there they are. I want the one with the clip-ons. So it's going to be that one, and I am going to open that one. All right. Now comes the process right here. Okay. It's telling me 8 minutes. All right. That's what it's telling me. So right here, I'm going to add a title. Okay. So flash sale with G. Yay! Now I'm going to describe the video. And this is the part that normally what I would do is, and I think I'm still going to do it because you guys won't be able to see it. Yeah. I open up Word and I start typing because this one won't catch any misspelled words. It's going to let you put it up however you're going to do. So while this is uploading, you can see down here at this percentage, while it's doing that, I am going to start typing over here what I want to put. Well, let me see. Needs fashionable earrings, but want them in a clip-on. I got it. And see, look, what is this? Shop the flash sale and grab yours today. Now, I also need for them to know first time shopping, to complete. I know it's coming. complete my registration at ktr.ee/gbrown. All right. And grab yours today. All right. And here we go. I'm going to copy this. And then I'm just going to paste it over here and be done while we're waiting on this. I'm going to see if it allows me to go next, because it's the publishing tools here. Now, you can actually turn on captions. You can have it, this is the thumbnail, but that's not the thumbnail that I'm going to use. Let me see, a custom image, add an image. Now, that one I know. Yep, and I want this one. Open. And there she is. That flash sale. Ooh, $5 flash sale. All right. Tracking ad labels to help you manage and search for your video. I'll be all right. Now I'm going to see if this is going to allow me to go next. Yeah, let's keep going. Now, publish now, premiere, schedule it, or save as a draft. I'm doing a premiere. All right. And I've already done one, so we're going to do this one for tomorrow, and I'm going to do this at 11:30 in the morning. All right, 11:30. There's my image, and then choose a playlist, choose a series, and the pages. My pages is the ones in my Business Manager, but if you open up, it'll show you everything, and I'm actually going to put it on my salon as well and go from there. And of course, it's not going to let me move any further from here until this video has loaded, and then I'll be able to, and that is just that simple. Bam, it is done. All right, so I've taken you through the different stages, and that's all that it's waiting on. Once this right here is finished, then you just click publish. I hope that this helps you. Now let's use the tools.